Hi and welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you how I got these spring flower nails. Starting off with this periwinkle baby blue, whatever you want to call it. I'm just putting that on my thumb, my index finger, and my pinky. And I will be applying 2 layers. It's just so satisfying to see this nail polish. So opaque, so beautiful. So now going in with this milky white that I got from the Beatles. I believe I got it on Amazon. It was a set of 6. And then this is the white color. I swear I put a layer down. I know it's like super clear, but that's the look that I was going for, so that you could still see like my natural nail underneath. So I did 2 layers of the blue and then 3 layers of the white, and then cured for 30 seconds in between. So I just grabbed a cardboard box and this dotting tool, and then I'm grabbing white and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the box. That way we can grab little dots a lot easier. All right, flower number 1. So you're just gonna put 5 dots in like a star formation. As you can see, I'm kind of doing here. And then in the middle, we'll just fill it in with another dot. So it should be solid. And then I'm just using the other side of the tool, which is like a tiny little dot, and evening it out and like rounding it out just to make it look as best as it can. And then I cure it for 10 seconds once I like the finished product. That way I don't have to worry about accidentally wiping it off and messing it up and having to redo it. And yeah, we're just gonna keep doing the same thing. 5 dots, fixing it with the little tiny dot maker, and then curing it for 10 seconds when we like it. And then if we don't like it, we can just wipe it off, start fresh, start all over, and keep going. So when you wipe things off, make sure that you use a lint-free wipe, like a paper towel or an actual lint-free wipe, like the one that I'm using, that I got at like Target or Walmart, maybe even Walgreens. If not, you're gonna leave a whole bunch of lint and it's gonna mess you up. I'm just really proud of how quick and easy I did this one flower. So after you finish all your flowers, you can cure for 30 seconds. And then we're just gonna do a bunch of random dots. They're kind of linear, but for the most part, they're pretty random. Just do wherever you think would look cute. Cure for 30 seconds, and then top coat time. And then you're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. So I really wanted to use those little crystals that you keep seeing pop up in my video, but the smallest one was way too small. I was so disappointed. So I'm just gonna go in with this reflective glitter and my dotting tool, and that's what I'm gonna use for the little pollen area on the flower. And I used the like tiny dotting part of the tool. So they came out a little 3-dimensional, so it was almost like having crystals. And now we're going back in with the top coat, curing that for 60 seconds after we cured the little flowers for 30 seconds, and we're done. I love how they came out. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think.